Hello everyone. Now, yesterday we already done with question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Now today, before we proceed with question number 2, I need to give you some knowledge uh, on how to form a formula if suppose time is given in this way, 2 1 by 3, or suppose 2 1 by 4, okay, or suppose t equals to 2 1 by 6, or 3 1 by 6, 4 1 by 6, 6 1 by 4, 7 1 by 3. So how to write a formula when time is in such a format? Okay, so for this, the first thing that you have to do, you have to write the amount. This is 2 years complete and 2 years 1.5 years. Okay, so how to write it down? 1 plus 2 and compounded annually. These are all compounded annually, not half yearly. 2 1 by 3 years compounded annually, compounded annually, compounded annually. So when you are doing a sum in which a rate percent is written compounded annually and time is written in that format, then how to write the formula? So this would be r by 100. This is a normal one to the power n. This is for 2 years. And what will you do with 1 by 3? So again you will write not p but this one, as because it is 1 by 3, so you will divide the r with 3 by 100 and this will be 3n. Understood the difference? That is 3 is written, see, for 2 years this is the part, okay, and for another 1 by 3 you have written this part. As because it is carrying 3 as a denominator, so I have written just below the r I have written 3 and I have multiplied the number of years with 3, that is it will become 3 times. Now similarly, if I want to write this formula, then this is for this formula. Okay, now I am writing formula for this. Now suppose a is equals to p 1 plus r by 100 n. This is for 2 years, and what I will write for 1 by 4? So 1 plus r by 4 into 100 to the power 4n. Understood? This is a shortcut method by which you can solve. There is another way of solving this type of sum, but I believe that if you follow this formula, then your solution will be much faster and it will be less time consuming, okay, which is very important during the exam time. Now what about this one? Now 2, suppose not 2, suppose I have written 3 1 by 6. Now same formula. The first part will be absolutely same. So this part is for 3 years. Where is it? This part is for 3 years. And what we have to write for another part, that is 1 by 6. That is 1 plus r by 6 into 100, as because denominator is 6 and here will be 6 to the power 5. Understood? I hope everyone has understood. This knowledge is very important because question number 2 is absolutely based on this one. Okay, so let's see what is there in question number 2. Yes, now this is question number 2. As you see, the principal is 26,400. R is 15% compounded yearly. Always write this word. If it is written half yearly, then you will write compounded half yearly. If it is written yearly, then you have to write compounded yearly. Okay, this is a very important words. Now n is given 2 years 4 months. So you have to convert this whole term into the year form. So 2 years plus, if you have to convert this 4 month into year form, so what you have to do? You have to divide it by 12 and it will be converted into year form. Now reduce it. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So it is C 2 1 by 3 years. Now I hope you have understood when time is in this format how to frame a formula. First of all, you have to find the amount before you get the compound interest. So for the first part, the formula would be this one, and for 1 by 3, what you have to write? 1 plus r upon 3 into 100 to the power 3n. Okay, now let's put the values. P is 26,400, r is 15%, n, the first part of here is 2, so we'll write 2 here. Okay, 1 plus r by not r, it would be 15 into 15 by 3 into 100 to the power 3. Now what is the second part of the year? 1 by 3. So in place of n, we'll write 1 by 3. Now this will be cancelled. Okay, now let's reduce this. Okay, never mind. Let's see. 26,500. Let's solve the bracket. It would be 100 plus 15 to the power square. This will be 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So it will be 1 plus 5 upon 100. No power 1 is there, so no need of writing. So 26,400. It would be 115, 100 square. This would be 100, 100 plus 5, like this. So 26,400 into 115 by 100 into 115 by 100 into 105 by 100. Now once you solve this, you will get the answer as 12% and time is 3 years. Yes. Now this is sum number 3. Okay, students. So according to the problem sum, there are two characters, Fabina and Radha. Okay. Now Fabina has borrowed the amount of 12,500 at the rate of 12% for 3 years at simple interest. Okay. Now we have to calculate the interest with the formula that we've learned in the earlier classes, that is with the simple interest formula. So let's do it first. So that is simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Okay, so this is 12,500, rate is 12 and T is 3. Okay, so reduce it. So after reducing, you will get the format like this, and the interest would be 4,500. Okay, now we came to know what is the interest that Fabina paid. Now in the second case, Radha has borrowed the same amount, that is 12,500, at the same rate compounded annually for 3 years, but not in the simple interest but in the compounded annually. It is compounded annually. Okay, that is, she has to pay the interest in the format of compound interest. So we have to find the compound interest, and then we have to compare who is paying the more interest. If Fabina is paying the more interest or Radha is paying the more interest. Before that, we have to solve this. The amount is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now 12,500 is the principal. 1 plus 12 upon 100, rate is 12% given and time is 3 years. So 3. So 12,500, we need to solve this bracket. That is 100 plus 12 to the power 3. So 12,500 into 112 by 100 to the power 3, isn't it? So 12,500 into 112 by 100 into 112 by 100 into 112 by 100. So after solving, you will get the amount as 1756 1.6. So this is your amount. Now if you have to see the CI would be amount minus principal. 175616 minus 12,500. Okay, so if you subtract, what is the answer? Answer is 5061.6 rupees. Now Fabina is paying how much interest? 4,500. That is in simple interest format, and Radha is paying 5061.6 rupees as an interest. So he is paying more? Absolutely. So you will write Radha has paid more interest by means you have to find the difference. That is 5061.6 minus 4,500. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees 561.6. So this is the answer. Okay, so it is so today's assignment is question number 2 and question number 3, and please see the video, that is the initial part of the video, which was very important. Okay, how to frame the formula in case of the time which I have mentioned, 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 4. Okay, so thank you and take care.